Thank you. Almost a year into President Donald Trump's second term in office, and we've seen the focus that this administration has taken on immigration enforcement firsthand, in some cases involving federal, state, and local law enforcement. I recently spoke to the head of DPS to find out where he stands with his troopers helping the feds in this capacity. What do you see as DPS's role in immigration enforcement?
Really, we don't have a role in immigration enforcement because we don't conduct immigration enforcement. The only time that we become involved in that aspect of enforcement is if we have a state crime. If there is a state crime that occurs and it sort of leads us down that path, then we work with our partners on the federal side to inform them that we do have somebody that there's an immigration tie to it. That is their responsibility, and so we work with them on that.
Recently, the Pinal County Attorney's Office announced they'd partner with ICE in what's known as a 287G agreement. This would be to help identify, process, and detain undocumented immigrants.
We participate in a task force, and somebody's in the country illegally, we can now get access to the databases and resources that we need to not only check their status and potentially give them over to ICE to deport them.
Is that something that you would want to see DPS troopers do?
Well, no, it's just not our role and responsibility. We are focused on the mission of being able to keep the roadway safe, being an assist agency, providing the resources to other agencies when they need it. That gets beyond our scope. We are busy already with just the aspects of our job right now. To add to that would be more of a compounding the situation of the workload.
Now, critics of what Pinal County is doing worry that this could lead to crimes not getting reported because victims would be worried they'd get deported or detained. But supporters argue it's just another tool and partnership to get dangerous criminals off the streets. To see an extended version of my interview with Colonel Jeffrey Glover, click on this story on the main page of abc15.com.